This is a brand new 2014 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, side impact airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.